In this question, we have to find rate of dehydration of alcohol. Now, dehydration of alcohol takes place via even mechanism, and rate of reaction for even mechanism is directly proportional to stability of carbocation form. So, higher is the stability of carbocation, higher will be rate of dehydration reaction. Now, in case of first, carbocation formed in first step is having 2 alpha hydrogen, while in second carbocation is having 5 alpha hydrogen. In case third, carbocation formed is having 4 alpha hydrogen, and in fourth case carbocation formed is having total 9 alpha hydrogen. So rate of reaction depend on stability of carbocation. Among these carbocation, fourth is most stable, since hence rate of reaction is maximum in 4, then 2, then 3, and then 1. So this is correct order of stability of carbocation and correct order of rate of reaction, and hence correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find correct order of reactivity of alcohol. Now this reaction takes place via electrophilic addition reaction, since carbocation is formed during the reaction, and hence rate of reaction depend on stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation formed in first step. Now carbocation formed in example 1 is having total 5 alpha hydrogen along with minus I effect of fluorine. In second case, carbocation formed is having 5 alpha hydrogen along with minus I, but in this case inductive effect of fluorine is comparatively less. Now if we take example third, now this molecule is having total 6 alpha hydrogen, and in case of fourth, now this is having resonance. So fourth is most stable due to resonance, then 3. Now first and second both are having 5 alpha hydrogen, but minus I effect is great in first, while second is having less minus I effect, so comparatively more stable. So correct sequence is 4, 3, 2, 1, and hence correct option is C. In this reaction, phenyl magnesium bromide is treated with tertiary butyl alcohol. Now tertiary butyl alcohol is having active hydrogen. Active hydrogen is the hydrogen atom which is directly attached with high electronegative atom. So on reacting with phenyl magnesium bromide, now phenyl magnesium bromide is organometallic compound which is having negative charge on carbon. So it will act as very strong base, and this molecule is having acidic hydrogen. So acid base reaction takes place. Now this negative charge abstract hydrogen and gets converted to benzene. So benzene molecule is formed along with tertiary butoxide ion, form salt with MgBr, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find correct ease of dehydration of following compound. Now dehydration of alcohol takes place via even mechanism. Rate of dehydration for even mechanism depend on stability of carbocation. So higher is the stability of carbocation, more easily dehydration reaction takes place. So in first case, carbocation formed is having 4 alpha hydrogen. In second case, carbocation form is having alpha hydrogen along with stabilized by resonance, while in third case, carbocation formed is having extended resonance. So among these carbocation, third is most stable, then second, and then first. So rate of dehydration will be maximum in third, then second, then first, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to convert alcohol into acid having one more carbon. So alcohol is first treated with PbR3. Now on reacting with PbR3, SN2 reaction takes place. So without rearrangement, we are getting alkyl halide. Now this alkyl halide is treated with KCN. So alkyl halide is converted to cyanide. Now this cyanide on acidic hydrolysis converted to acid. So acid is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. Which of the following reagent would be best for oxidizing 1 degree alcohol into aldehyde? So if we react alcohol with H3PO4 at high temperature, then will we get alkene. If alcohol is treated with pyridinium chlorochromate or PCC in presence of solvent CH2Cl2, then it will be converted to aldehyde because PCC is mild oxidizing agent. Now if Jones reagent is taken, then in presence of Jones reagent, since Jones reagent is strong oxidizing agent, it will convert alcohol to aldehyde first, and finally aldehyde will be converted to acid. Osmium tetroxide will not react with alcohol, so best reagent to convert alcohol to aldehyde among given options is B, PCC in CH2Cl2, and hence correct option is B. In this question, we have to find a compound X which on oxidation give B and B on further oxidation give acid. After first oxidation, it is reacted with ammonical silver nitrate to produce black precipitate. So if any compound giving black precipitate with silver nitrate, then it must contain aldehyde group. Now aldehyde are formed after oxidation of alcohol. So this alcohol must be 1 degree. 1 degree alcohol on oxidation give aldehyde. Now this aldehyde on further oxidation will give acid. If aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent, now in presence of Tollens reagent, it will converted to acid along with black precipitate of silver is formed. Now if tertiary alcohol is taken, then tertiary alcohol is not oxidizable. Now if acetaldehyde is taken, then it will oxidize first to converted to acid, and further oxidation of acid does not take place at ordinary condition, so this compound must not be acetaldehyde. If acetone is taken, now acetone will not be oxidized under ordinary condition, no reaction takes place, hence this compound should be primary alcohol, and hence correct answer is cyclobutyl bromide on treatment with magnesium in dry ether form an organometallic compound A. So if cyclobutyl bromide is taken and treated with magnesium, then it will be converted to Grignard reagent MgBr. Here dry ether is taken as a solvent. Now this is organometallic compound, and this organometallic compound when treated with ethanol CH3 CHO, now Grignard reagent act as a nucleophile and it will convert aldehyde into alcohol. So CHOH CH3 alcohol is formed. So now this compound organometallic compound is A and this alcohol is B. Now this alcohol on heating with HBr first converted to carbocation. So now carbocation CH CH3 is formed. Now this carbocation may rearrange to 5-membered ring, and so this will rearrange and convert it to a 5-membered ring. So converted to 5-membered ring having positive charge on ring. Now this will further rearrange to give tertiary carbocation. Now this can be written similar to this. Now this will rearrange via hydride shift to give tertiary carbocation, and now Br will finally attach to this carbon. So tertiary alkyl halide will be formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find relative rate of esterification of given alcohol. Now esterification takes place via SN-AE mechanism. Now during SN-AE reaction, rate of reaction depend on nature of acid and both nature of nucleophile. So with increasing nucleophilicity of alcohol, rate of reaction also decreases. Now nucleophilicity of alcohol depend on crowding. With increasing crowding in alcohol, nucleophilicity decreases. So ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH is less crowded. Isopropyl alcohol is comparatively more crowded, and tertiary butyl alcohol is most crowded, and with increasing crowding, rate of esterification decreases. Hence primary alcohol is most reactive, then secondary alcohol, and then tertiary alcohol, and hence correct answer is B. The compound that reacts fastest with Lucas reagent. Now this reaction takes place via electrophilic addition reaction. During electrophilic addition reaction, carbocation is formed, and hence rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation formed in first step. Now in case of butane 1-ol, carbocation formed in first step is having only 2 alpha hydrogen. Now butane 2-ol, now this molecule is having 5 alpha hydrogen. In case of 2-methyl propane 1-ol, carbocation form is having only 1 alpha hydrogen. When 2-methyl 2-propanol is taken, now 2-methyl 2-propanol will give carbocation which is having 9 alpha hydrogen. So rate of reaction will be maximum when most carbocation is most stable, and among given carbocations 1, 2, 3 and 4, fourth is most stable, and hence reaction will be fastest with fourth, then 2, then 1, and in case of 3 rate of reaction will be minimum, and hence correct answer is D. Which of the following is major product in above reaction? Now this is case of SN1 mechanism, in which first step involve protonation of alcohol, which involve formation of oxonium ion. Now if positive charge is present on oxygen, now this is unstable species, water molecule is eliminated and carbocation is formed as intermediate. Now this carbocation will rearrange from 5-membered to 6-membered ring, forming a more stable intermediate. Now 6-membered ring is formed, and 6-membered ring which is having secondary carbon, after hydride shift it will be converted to tertiary carbocation, and now I negative will combine with most stable tertiary carbocation to form tertiary alkyl iodide. So final product is D in the reaction, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find oxidation product of given reaction. Now this molecule is having two types of OH group. Now in presence of MnO2, only allylic alcohol will get oxidized. So CH2 double bond CH, CH, OH, CH2, CH2, OH. Now this alcohol is allylic alcohol. So in presence of MnO2, manganese oxide, it will oxidize, while this OH group will retain as such. So final product is CH2 double bond CH, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, OH, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following alcohol can be oxidized by KMnO4. So KMnO4 act as oxidizing agent, and primary and secondary alcohol can be oxidized by using KMnO4. KMnO4 will oxidize 1 degree alcohol into acid if 2 degree alcohol is taken. So 2 degree alcohol will be converted to ketone, and if tertiary alcohol is taken, tertiary alcohol cannot be oxidized by using acidic KMnO4 or KMnO4. So first is 3 degree alcohol, so it cannot be oxidized by using KMnO4. Now B, now this molecule is again 3 degree alcohol, so this molecule also cannot be oxidized by using KMnO4. Now option C is 1 degree alcohol, and 1 degree alcohol can be oxidized by KMnO4. Option D, again this alcohol is tertiary, and tertiary alcohol cannot be oxidized by using KMnO4, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find dehydration product of given alcohol. Now this reaction takes place in acidic medium in presence of high temperature. So now reaction follow even mechanism. So first of all, alcohol get protonated, and after protonation of alcohol we are getting oxonium ion. Now oxonium ion is having positive charge on oxygen, which is unstable, so water molecule is eliminated, followed by the formation of carbocation. So now this carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation is having 7-membered ring, and 7-membered ring is unstable, so rearrangement takes place in such a way that 6-membered ring is formed. Now carbocation is having 2 types of alkyl radical which can migrate, but bulky group have higher migratory attitude, so bulky group will migrate faster. So carbon atom adjacent to positive charge will create positive charge. So in this carbon positive charge will be created, and this carbon negative charge. Ring contraction takes place. Now 7-membered ring will be converted to 5-membered ring. So 5-membered ring is formed along with isopropyl carbocation. Now this carbocation is having 3, 6 and 7 alpha hydrogen, which cannot rearrange to more stable, further more stable carbocation. So this is the ultimately carbocation formed, which is having maximum stability. Now beta hydrogen will be removed to get more stable alkene. So final product of the reaction is this, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find oxidation product of the given reaction. Now in first step, cold alkaline KMnO4 is given. In presence of cold alkaline KMnO4, syn hydroxylation reaction takes place. Now in second step, CrO3 and acetic acid is given, which act as comparatively strong oxidizing agent. So in first step, when dilute KMnO4 is used, now syn hydroxylation reaction takes place and syn diol is formed as a product. Now this molecule is having 2 types of alcohol. Now this alcohol is 2 degree alcohol and this alcohol is 3 degree alcohol. Now in presence of CrO3 and acetic acid, 2 degree alcohol will further oxidize, while 3 degree alcohol cannot be oxidized. Hence Now this OH will retain as such, while 2-degree alcohol gets oxidized to ketone, and hence correct answer is A. What is product of the given reaction? Now in this reaction H2CrO4 is taken. Now H2CrO4 act as Jones reagent, which is a strong oxidizing agent, and if strong oxidizing agents are taken, they will convert primary alcohol to acid and secondary alcohol will be converted to ketone. So now this molecule is having secondary alcohol, and now this secondary alcohol will be converted to ketone, while double bond will be unaffected during the reaction. So final product of the reaction CH2 double bond CH, CH, CH3. Now this CHOH get oxidized and here it is converted to ketone. So this is final product, and hence correct answer is A.